Jai Hind children, welcome in your Maths Life class. In this class we will do the revision of Congruence chapter. Already we have done a lot, but you know that maths needs more and more practice. So let's start the revision through the definition. Then we will go for different types of shapes, and after that in your syllabus you know that there are different types of triangles you will see, and what are the different criteria to make it a congruent figure. So let's talk about congruent. What do you mean by congruent, beta? Congruent, it is if you will take any two figure and it is having the exact shape and size. A figure, two figures, if two or more figures also, but if you will talk about two, then if you are having two figures and they have the same shape and size, then those two figures are called as congruent figures. For example, take 100 rupees note, new, okay, and take another 100 rupees note which is new one, and you will see that they will have the same shape and size. But if you will match the new 100 rupees note with the older one, then it is not the congruent. They are of different shape and size. The previous one was a little bit larger, isn't it? If you will take 5 rupees coin and take another 5 rupees coin, then they will match with each other. So this is an example. If we will talk about lines, children, if there are two lines, how we can call them as congruent? Like I am having maybe this is one line segment I am taking, children, line segment. This is 20 centimeter in length, and this is also one more line I am drawing, and this is also 20 centimeter in length. Okay, so are they congruent? Yes, they are congruent. Why they are congruent? Because they have the same length. If you will talk about line, if the same length lines were there, line segments were there, then they are congruent one. If you will talk about angles, like for example, let me draw an angle. This is one angle, and I am making one more angle here. Okay, if it is 60 degree and it is also 60 degree, are they congruent? Yes, they are congruent because they have the same measures, 60 degree, 60 degree. So in this way we can talk about the different congruent figures. These are elementary shapes, children, basic shapes. Now in your book we are having 4 types of congruent. If you will talk about the congruent of triangles, we are having triangles. For example, I am having one triangle A, B and C, and one more triangle I am having, children, P, Q and R. P, Q and R. Okay, I am having 2 triangles. While looking on this, we can't say that whether they are equal or not, although it's a little bit bigger. So let me make in this way. Okay, so now if these 2 triangles are there, how can we show that they are congruent? So for that we are having 4 types to prove that the congruency in triangle. Okay, so what are those types? First one is, if you have to prove that a triangle is congruent or not, the first one is that if you are having all the 3 sides given, then you will see whether all the 3 sides, like this is 6 centimeter, so somewhere here it should have a 6 centimeter. If it is 5 centimeter, then any of the 2 lengths should be 5 centimeter. And if it is 7 centimeter, then another one is also 7 centimeter. All the 3 sides are given and they are equal to each other, then we will use SSS. Then if only 2 sides, and included angle is given to us, only 2 sides like this and included angle, beta. Okay, in between those 2 sides included angle is given, and it is same as the sides along with the included angle. Maybe it is 60 degree, and if it is also 60 degree, then it will satisfy side angle side. It's not like that we can take any angle. No, the sides angles, this is 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter, and included angle is 60, included angle is 60. Yes, then only we can apply this congruency. Then the third one is, if you have two angles in the question, if two angles were provided and the included side children, it is 60 degree, it is 50 degree. Two angles are given and included side 7 centimeter. Okay. Now, can we find? Only two angles are given, but included side is not 7. This one is the 7 and it is not included in between this. Included side of these two angles is QR, and here it is BC. 60 and 50 degree. Here it is 60 and 70. They are not congruent. But wait, let's check for the other possibility. No need to say that no ma'am, it is not congruent. Let's wait and see. Just check it, beta, because one side is given 7. Here also 7 centimeters. Side is same, equal, 60 degree and 50 degree. We need this. Okay. So let's check what will be the third angle. It will be 50 degree children, if you will find out by using angle sum property. 60 plus 70 and then angle this 50. This is 60 plus 70, 130, and 130 plus 50 will be 180. Na? Angle sum property of triangle, that all the angle sum is equal to 180. तो ये दो हमको पता है, तो we can find the third one. Yes, it's 50. And now you can see 50 degree and 60 degree. Included side is 7. 50 degree and 60 degree. Included side is 7. It's same children. So yes, we can use ASA. So while looking the diagram, no need to tell directly that whether they are following the congruence types or not. Wait, think about it and then conclude your answer. And the last one is RHS children. Okay. In this we need a right angle triangle. In both the triangles we need a right angle triangle. Like for example, I am using this. Okay, I am using this A, B, B and C. This one is right angle triangle, as well as I am using this. This is a right angle triangle. Right angled at P, right angled at B, and PQR. Now, if the two triangles are right angle triangles, so it is a major chance that we can use RHS. But it should follow two more things. What are those? First, it should have a right angle triangle. Now, what are the other two important points? The hypotenuse should be equal. Hypotenuse, opposite side of this 90 degree. And it is the longest side also. In a right angle triangle, this will be the longest side. Always ये सबसे लंबा होगा, ठीक है? Opposite side of 90 degree. 90 degree का opposite side. ठीक है? यहाँ पे भी opposite side of 90 degree. So these two are that one. Now if it is 8 centimeter and it is also 8 centimeter, yes, it is matching. दो point matching हो गए. Right angle, yes. Hypotenuse matching, and any one of the leg, either BC or AB should be equal to any one of the leg. इनमें से किसी भी एक leg के बराबर हो. Maybe if it is 5 centimeter and here it is 5 centimeter. If it is like this, then it will included in RHS. Okay, let's see through the PPT beta. Can you see this? Types of congruent figure and congruence of triangle is there in this chapter. See this. These are the congruent figures. Example of congruent figures. Now, types of different congruence of triangle. Okay. SSS, side. If 3 sides are given. SAS, if only 2 side and included angle is given. Angle side angle. If 2 angles or maybe 3 angles, whatever, but we have to focus on 2 angles and 1 included side. If it is matching with the another triangle, then they are congruent. And the last one is RHS. RHS means it should have a right angle, it should have hypotenuse should be equal, and any one of the sides should be equal. See this, children. These are the symbolic representation of all the 4 types: side, 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 side angle, side, ASA, angle, side angle, and RHS. Okay. Now the next one is through the example. See, children, through the example already. See this. Now this is SSS. ABC is a triangle. AB is 3.5. Here PR is 3.5. One side is matching now. Another AC is 5 centimeter and RQ is also 5 centimeter. One more side is matching. And now focus on the third side. BC. BC is 7.1 and here PQ, the third side, is also 7.1. It is also matching, children. So we will use SSS. This is SAS, children. 2 sides are matching and the included angle is also matching, 50 degree. So this is SAS. Then this is also SAS, symbolic representation. Then ASA, children. See, 2 angles and one side is given. Included side is equal. What are the 2 angles? Here angle C is equal to angle R. Through the color they have shown, purple color. Okay, angle C is equal to angle R and angle B is equal to angle Q, and the side CB is equal to QR. See one more example through the measures. Okay, 60 degree, yes, one more 60 degree is here. 80 degree, yes, one angle is 80 degree here, and the included side is 5 centimeter. Let's see the included side here. Yes, it is also 5 centimeter. So it follows the ASA. Now this is right hypotenuse side angles. Okay, this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, matching beta. Now hypotenuse XZ and hypotenuse TR, it is matching, and one of the leg, you can say, is also matching. Double dash means they are equal. So they will follow the RHS. What they will follow? RHS. See this. This is the example. It is example, children. And after this, what we will do? I will show you how you will write the congruence. Okay. What are the congruent figures now? Now let's start with the different parts. So for that you have to come to the board. Now let me take one example for you. I am taking one triangle and this is another side and this is the third side. This is A, B and C, and one more beta. This is X, Y and Z. Two triangles are there. ABC, triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC and this one is triangle XYZ. X, Y and Z. Okay. 2 triangles are there. Now, if one of the side AB is 6.5 centimeter, it is given, and here XZ is 6.5 centimeter. So what you will write? Through the diagram, AB is equal to XZ. AB is equal to XZ, which is equal to 6.5 centimeter. In a bracket you will write given. ये दिया गया है क्वेश्चन में, given कि they are 6.5 centimeter and yes, they are equal. Now one more side is AC, 6 centimeter, and here ZX is 6 centimeter. So you will write AC is equal to YZ. AC is equal to YZ, which is equal to 6 centimeter. This is also given. ये भी क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है, given. Why they are equal? Because it is 6. It is also 6 centimeter and they are equal. Okay. And the third side is 5 centimeter and this is also 5 centimeter. So BC is equal to XY, and which is equal to 5 centimeter, and this is given. So 3 things you have picked from the diagram which is given to you. Now SSS, because it's based on only side, none of the angle is given. So you will write using SSS congruence criteria. Using SSS congruence criteria, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. Now we will wait. ABC, triangle ABC. First triangle we can name it as it is in our choice. But the second triangle which is congruent to that we have to see. Beta AB, first two vertex AB. AB is equal to XZ from here. AB, yes, it is equal to XZ. So write down XZ. And now let's see that third one. BC, second and third vertex, this side, BC side is equal to XY. It is equal to XY. So we can write Y, but how can we write X? X is already here. Okay, X is already here. So what we can do, we can interchange this XZ. XZ को हमको interchange करना पड़ेगा. XZ can be written as ZX. XZ can be written as ZX. So हमने interchange कर दिया. Still AB is equal to ZX. It's yes. Now BC is equal to XY. So X आ गया आपका second place पे. Now write down Y. And now see the third one. First and last one, AC. AC side देखिए. AC side is equal to YZ. AC side is equal to YZ. Yes, YZ or ZY. It is same. So triangle ABC is not congruent to XYZ. आप ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते बेटा. You will focus on these given things. And ABC is congruent to triangle ZXY. Okay, so you have to follow it. I'm telling you the last thing, that how you will find out that which particular side and angle should be matching if it is a congruent. One. Triangle PQR, if it is congruent to triangle X, Y and Z. Okay, let's take this. So in this case PQ, अगर ये इसके congruent है, if triangle PQR is congruent to triangle XYZ, then definitely PQ should be equal to XZ. First two, PQ should be equal to XZ. ये side इसके बराबर XY, not XZ, XY इसके equal होना ही चाहिए. Now next focus on the next side. Next side is QR. So QR should be equal to YZ. QR should be equal to YZ. If these two triangles are congruent, then yes. Now focus on the third side. वो भी तो equal होगा. PR. It should be equal to XZ. PR should be equal to XZ. These are about sides. And now let's talk about the angles. Angles बेटा, अगर angles की बात की जाए, कौन से angle किसके बराबर होंगे? So let's focus on the angle from the given congruent triangle. PQR triangle XYZ के congruent है. Then definitely angle P should be equal to angle X. Angle P should be equal to angle X. जो भी मेजर होगा उसका वो बराबर होगा. Angle Q should be equal to angle Y. Angle Q should be equal to angle Y. And the third one, angle R should be equal to angle Z. Angle R should be equal to angle Z. ऐसे. These are the congruent angles. These are the congruent sides if triangle PQR is congruent to triangle XYZ. Okay. Now Let's take some example from your book. Let me take some questions and then we will do it. One of you have asked about question number 3. Question number 3, children, let me draw it. Question number 3 from exercise 16. Okay, exercise 16, question number 3. No need to open it, I am drawing it. I am drawing, children. This is the diagram. Here it is O, this is B and this one is A. ठीक है, ये ऐसे है. And there is one more line here. Okay, this is, it's a ray, children, OC. Okay, and what they said, PL is perpendicular to OA. PL is perpendicular to OA in this way. This is the sign of perpendicular. Perpendicular means making 90 degree. PL, where is P and where is L? Here it is P, and on this point, on this line, on this ray, the L is there. So yes, this is L, children, and this is making a 90 degree. This is perpendicular means making a 90 degree. As well as PM is perpendicular to OB. PM is perpendicular to OB. This one. This one. This is M. PM is perpendicular to OB. OB पर perpendicular है PM. 90 degree बना रहा है. And this PL is perpendicular on OA. OA पे perpendicular है, 90 degree बना रहा है. These two things are given such that PL is equal to PM. उन्होंने दे दिया बेटा कि PL and PM they are equal. ये equal है. अगर ये यहाँ पे 3 सेंटीमीटर होगा तो ये भी यहाँ पे 3 सेंटीमीटर होगा. ठीक है? But the value is not given. I am just telling कि if it will be that, the same value will be here. अब पूछ रहे हैं ये is such that PL is M. Okay. Is triangle PLO is congruent to triangle PMO. Is congruent to triangle PMO. Triangle PMO. वो पूछ रहे हैं हमसे. ठीक है, क्या ऐसा है? So now we will focus on the given things and then we will find that whether they are congruent or not. So how many triangles you have seen here? 1 and 2. Total 2 triangles. If you will talk about this triangle, this PL is equal to PM. So PL is equal to PM. क्यों है भाई? यहाँ पे तो दिया गया है, given है. This is given in the question. Next, angle L is equal to angle M. Angle L is equal to angle M. पूरा लिखते हैं वैसे बेटा. OLP. Write down OLP. मतलब angle L की बात हो रही है. And angle OMP. OMP. ठीक है, ये क्या है? 90 डिग्री है. They are making ना 90 degree. It's also given. So these two angles are given. Angle L, this one, and angle M. दोनों 90 डिग्री हैं. अच्छा. Now 90 डिग्री का opposite side ये है. 90 degree opposite side is this OP. So OP is what? OP is hypotenuse. This OP is what? OP is hypotenuse because opposite side of, see this triangle, opposite side of this 90 degree. 90 degree angle के opposite side है OP. And OP is equal to OP. यहाँ पे लिखेंगे common. What is this, children? This OP is common in both the sides, both the triangles. OP is common in this triangle also and in the second triangle also, and they are equally. Obviously common है तो equal ही होगा. यहाँ से यहाँ तक OP अगर 7 सेंटीमीटर है तो for this also it will be 7 सेंटीमीटर. For the second triangle also it is 7 सेंटीमीटर. But common होने के साथ साथ this OP is hypotenuse also. Hypotenuse है. इस triangle का hypotenuse भी OP है. And for this triangle also the hypotenuse is OP. Opposite side of 90 degree. ये है. Opposite side of 90 degree. 90 degree का opposite side OP. So hypotenuse. So now think which one? राइट एंगल भी है, हाइपोटेन्यूस भी इक्वल है, और एनी वन ऑफ द लेग इज इक्वल. सो वी विल यूज व्हाट, वी विल यूज, क्या करेंगे हम, यूजिंग RHS, यूजिंग RHS congruence criteria, using RHS congruence criteria, triangle PLO. अब ये तो मैं प्रूफ करना है ना, तो वी विल राइट इट. ट्राइंगल PLO, should I write here? Triangle PLO is congruent to triangle. Now wait, we will follow our given things. ये जो given things है इनको पुट करेंगे हम. PL बेटा, PL, is it given? Yes, PL is given as PM. So write down PL is equal to PL is equal to PM. So write down in that sequence. Now next, LO side is given. LO side is given? No, LO side is not given. So leave it. Now see for the third side, PO side is given. Yes, PO or OP, it's same. PO is equal to PO or OP. So I am writing PO. Okay, the third side PO. And now let's focus on the angle. Angle में देखते हैं. Angle L is equal to angle M. Angle L is equal to angle M. Angle L है ये सेकेंड पोजीशन पर. यहाँ पर भी जो एंगल L किसके बराबर है, एंगल M. So angle L is at second position and angle M is also at second position. Yes, it's placed at the right position. So triangle PLO is congruent to triangle PMO. Hence proved these two triangles are congruent. So by using RHS we can show them. Now in the same way some other triangles are also given, and now you have to apply in your mind that how you will see it. Okay, how you will see, how you will solve it. Like for example, sometimes they used to give in this way. They have given a triangle, okay, and they said that this is an isosceles triangle. They said that this is an isosceles triangle. Okay, these two sides are equal, A, B and C. AB is equal to AC. It is an isosceles triangle because the sides are equal. Two sides are equal. Now one more line is there. This will be treated as common. This will be treated as common. And they said that either it will be an altitude making a 90 degree on it, या तो वो 90 डिग्री बना रहा है, या तो आप उसको लेंगे. ठीक है. और they used to tell us that this is a median. Median भी वो बोल सकते हैं बेटा. Median मतलब this AO is a median, means this BO यहाँ से यहाँ तक, this BO is equal to OC. BO is equal to OC. Now proof that these two triangles are congruent. अब ऐसे बोल दिया उन्होंने. So now think, SSS, is it given? SSS given है क्या? Yes. कैसे? One side is equal to this side, the second side is equal to this side. ठीक है. And where is the third side? Third side is AO. Third side is AO and it is common in both. AO चाहे आप इधर लो, वो भी उतने ही लेंथ का होगा. AO चाहे आप इस ट्रायंगल में लो, ये भी उसी लेंथ का होगा. So using SSS ऐसे आप कर सकते हैं. Or sometimes they used to give us that this is making a 90 degree on this. Now show it. आप show करिए. So आप क्या करें? So let's 90 degree है ना. So let's think about RHS. RHS है. So yes 90 degree. अब ये straight line है. This is a straight line. So if it will be 90 degree, this will also be 90 degree. भाई linear pair है. Straight angle पे 180 बनता है. Straight line पर 180 बनता है. The sum of two angles on a straight line is 180. So if it is 90, the other one will also be 90. And opposite side of 90 degree, this one hypotenuse हो गया. Opposite side of 90 degree, this one is hypotenuse. So AB is hypotenuse, AC is also hypotenuse. तो hypotenuse भी equal हो गए. अब तीसरी चीज क्या है? Any one of the legs should be equal. तो एक लेग ये है, इसके बारे में कोई आइडिया नहीं है, और एक लेग ये है बेटा. ठीक है, इस ट्राइंगल का. तो ये क्या है? दिस वन इज कॉमन इन बोथ. दिस AO is here also and here also. ये जो AO लेग है ये इसमें भी है और इसमें भी है, तो जो भी होगा लेंथ वो सेम होगा, दैट विल बी इक्वल. So using RHS we can solve this. So you have to think children, whatever the diagram will come you have to think and then accordingly you will write. कैसे लिखोगे आप? ट्राइंगल ABO, आप रुक जाएंगे आप, ठीक है. ट्राइंगल ABO, मैम इज टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस ट्राइंगल, मैम इज टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस ट्राइंगल ABO. अब ABO किसके बराबर है? तो पहले आप देखो AB किसके बराबर था बेटा सेकेंड ट्राइंगल में? AB इज इक्वल टू AC. सो राइट डाउन AC, ठीक है, लिख दिया. नाउ BO साइड इज इक्वल? नो, BO साइड इज नॉट इक्वल, ये हमें नहीं दिया गया है. नाउ द थर्ड साइड AO, दिस वन AO, यस AO इज इक्वल टू AO, है ना, वही कॉमन साइड है AO. सो वी विल राइट A एंड O. ओके, हमने लिख दिया AO इज इक्वल टू AO, ठीक है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज see the angle. Which angle is given? This angle O. ABO में angle O is equal to ACO में भी angle O. थर्ड प्लेस पे है, yes. It is also at third place, yes. And they are matching, they are equal. So by using RHS, ABO is congruent to ACO. ऐसे नहीं लिखेंगे कि ABO is congruent to AOC or COA. No, you should write the proper way. ABO is definitely equal to ACO by the given criteria. And which congruence criteria we will follow? RHS. So please keep these things in your mind and then do lots of practice. Definitely you will get full marks in this chapter. Okay children? So all the best for your exam.